In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the cabin air filter in your 2022 or newer Genesis G70. This is the part number for it right here. So if you have a 2022, 23, 24, or 2025 year model Genesis G70, this is the air filter you need. So let's hop right into the video. So the first step to get to your cabin air filter is to remove your glove box. And the first thing you want to do in order to remove your glove box is here on the right side of it, just to give you guys perspective, here on this bottom right side of it, there's this little hinge. And you're going to want to just pull this straight off, like so. Just put your hands behind it. I know I'm blocking the camera, but literally just pull it straight off and it's gonna pop off. Now, I wanna make something very clear. You're going to feel like you're breaking this when you go to pull it off because there's a lot of resistance, but I promise you, as long as you just pull this straight out, you're not going to break it, but it does require a little bit of force. So don't be afraid to really pull on it. So the next step in removing your glove box is to unscrew these little hinges. There's one on the left side and then there's one on the right side as well. So just turn them counterclockwise and then you simply will just pull them out. So that first one just came out just like that. Just kind of wiggle them until they come out and then we'll go and get the second one. Again, you see that one just came out, they just popped out. And then now the glove box should come all the way down. Okay, so now that you've got the glove box opened all the way down onto the ground, this is where your cabin air filter is held. And there are two little clips right here, as you can see. You're just going to pinch those and then pull this open. And the thing is, it's just gonna fall out like that. Don't worry about it, it's not broken. And then your cabin air filter is literally right here. Now do make note that the airflow does go down. So when you put your new filter in, airflow goes down. So just grab it and you pull it out. And as you can see, this is my air filter after about 2 years. It's got some, it's not that disgusting, but they recommend changing the air filter every 2 years. So let's go put the new one in now. Okay, so I got the new cabin air filter. As you can see, there's a very noticeable difference looking between the two. So dirty, new. Let's put the new one in. And all you do to put the new filter in, make sure that your airflow is facing down. You just grab it and you just line it up and it just goes straight back like that. And it's flush with the edges. Okay, so the next step you want to do is put this back on. And this last piece can be a little tricky. I recommend getting a flashlight so you can see. So these little two hinges that are on the back of it, right? You want to make sure they go into those two holes in that back spot right here. If you can kind of see that. There's two little things that it'll nicely fit into. So once you get them in there, you just close it and you'll hear it snap when it goes back in. I'll show you that again. So your new filter is in, you've got it closed off. Next thing you want to go do is put your glove box up and put everything back together, which I will show you as well. So the first thing you want to do, putting everything back together, grab your little screws and just finagle them in there until they fit. And make sure you took note of which one on the left and right side, because I definitely think this one goes on the right side, because that was not going in at all. And you just got to line it up until they actually go in. I would recommend using a flashlight for this again. Okay, just got that right one in, and they kind of screw in like a screw almost. So this will be the left one. Don't be an idiot like me and get them mismatched. So that goes in like so. Just screw it in. And then don't forget about the little piece down yonder right here. All you literally do is just pop that back on. Sorry, bad camera angle. But you literally just pop that hinge back on. And your glove box and cabin air filter are good as new. Look at that. Oh yeah, baby. And just showing you guys again, this is the cabin air filter part number. If you have a 2022, 23, 24, or 2025 year model Genesis G70, this is the air filter part number you will need. This video is valid for any year model up until they do a completely renew, redesign, rehash of the Genesis G70. That's it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. Give a thumbs up if you found this super helpful, and I'll see you next time.